Hey folks, welcome back. Sorry it's been so long, but I lost my video camera and now I got a new phone. Basically just want to let you know, well, it's new for me, but it's not an actual phone, but it's a Samsung Galaxy S Blaze 4G, and it's pretty good. It has pretty good videos, very good pictures, very bright. So anyway, earlier today, I went to the Beverly Hills Affair in the Gardens Art Show. Now it's just called Beverly Hills Art Show. And before I went there, I wanted to make sure I parked in a good place where they had different locations of parking. You can park 3 hours for free, 2 hours for free, or they had 3 hours metered parking. So I wanted to park in the 3 hours parking lot is free, and then after that is charged, for what, 15-20 minutes or however long you're there. So anyway, it ranges for about it was like 4 blocks long. It was pretty nice. Me and my friend went. So it happens every year, and it's so funny because my aunt happened to call and was asking me about where my son worked earlier today, and it's just how weird how I haven't talked to her in about a week or two, but she calls me on a day when I happen to go to this art show in Beverly Hills where her business actually used to be. So just wanted to let you know it was Saturday and today from 10 to 5, so yes, now it's over. It's off of Santa Monica and Cannon Boulevard, and once again, that's in Beverly Hills. They'll have another one in the fall, which maybe I'll be able to go. Not really sure, depending on if I'll be going back to work or not. But once again, just look for it in my video, and I have footage of what it looked like when I was there, and different food places, and I would call them superstars that I ran into while I was there, and giving some important information to this one lady because she had no idea about some things that I was doing. So once again, stay tuned, like my page, comment if you like, and talk to you later.
Did you enter in the raffle?
Yes.
Good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, sorry, honey.
That's all right.
You don't want to stand out.
Okay, look at this work. It's silver on here. It's really aluminum along with some paint. Looks like acrylic and some sand at the bottom. Wow, that's so nice. I wonder if I can do that. Looks like something I could do. I guess all it takes is some time. In Beverly Hills, they have art exhibits of different art. They have artists out here where you can purchase food. They have the foods. They have, you can walk past it. Hey, there goes one of my oh, these people. Oh, they got like little You got a phone? I am. Look at that.
I think 250 is
Oh, that's pretty. Oh, look at that. Oh. No.
What's that? I can.
My favorite color.
Thank you very much.
And how long did it take?
It took, close to
a month to do. Basically, it's called electronic heroin, and it deals with like the overconsumption of TV. So basically, I start at the top left of this thing, and then right all the way around, and then the center.
Oh, it's graffiti.
It's basically it's graffiti style, but it's like a manifesto, if you will, about how much people watch TV and how its likeness to drug use. Let's say like electronic heroin. So it's like just kind of a good reminder to turn the TV off, basically, and interact. So that's kind of the. Thank you.
So 35 for all three of them?
All three of them, yeah.
Oh, wow. That's nice. You have a card?
I do. This one up here?
Yeah.
This is time lapse. So what I do basically is take a chip of each painting that I make throughout the year, and then it's like a documentation of the year in painting.
Oh, like collage.
So it's basically a collage of every painting.
I
that
love
I make
it. It's
throughout the year.
beautiful.
Thank you. It's like a photo album. If you will.
Wow. That's awesome.
And I
Thank
like
you.
that too.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. You guys enjoy the show.
Thank you.
Actually painting right now. Alright, you can push that.